Sugar was once regarded as white gold, a luxury reserved for the elite. But today, it has become a legal addiction that silently takes hold of us. The world is grappling with an epidemic of obesity and diabetes, with sugar as a leading culprit. But you don't have to be part of that statistic. Today is your chance to make a change. In this video, I'll share 3 incredibly simple steps to help you turn away from sugar cravings in the gentlest way possible. At every party, in every morning coffee cup, sugar sneaks in like an uninvited guest. But now is the time to decide who stays and who needs to leave. Why is sugar so addictive? Let's start by understanding the science behind sugar addiction. Sugar doesn't just make you gain weight, it manipulates your brain like a drug. It's not just the sweetener in your morning coffee, it has the power to trick your brain, leaving you wanting more. When you consume sugary foods, your brain releases a flood of dopamine, a neurotransmitter responsible for feelings of pleasure. This reaction is similar to how drugs like cocaine affect the brain, albeit on a smaller scale. Over time, your brain gets used to these dopamine spikes, demanding more sugar to feel the same level of satisfaction. That's why one piece of candy is never enough, your body starts demanding more. Think of it as a vicious cycle, eating sugar feeling satisfied, dopamine drops, craving more sugar. It's a chemical game your body plays, and you're being controlled without even realizing it. What's even more alarming is that sugar isn't just found in obvious sweets like candy or soda. It's hiding in seemingly innocent foods like sauces, bread, and even healthy options like granola. Are you turning your body into a disease factory? When you consume too much sugar and carbohydrates, you're not just overloading your body, you're setting the stage for long-term harm. This process begins in your bloodstream. After a high-carb meal, your blood sugar levels spike, prompting your pancreas to release insulin. Initially, insulin helps regulate blood sugar. But over time, repeated spikes make your body resistant to insulin, a condition where insulin stops working effectively. This is a direct path to type 2 diabetes. And it doesn't stop there. Excess sugar that isn't burned for energy is converted into fat and stored around vital organs like the liver, leading to fatty liver disease, a major contributor to heart disease. Refined carbs don't just harm your body, they affect your brain, too. Overeating them fosters addictive habits, leaving you constantly craving more but never feeling truly full. This doesn't just lead to weight gain, it zaps your energy, making you feel fatigued and unfocused. On top of that, a diet high in sugar and carbs fuels chronic inflammation in your body. Inflammation is the root cause of many serious health issues, from arthritis and heart disease to certain cancers. Those persistent aches or dull skin you've been dealing with, they could be tied to what you're eating every day. By understanding these impacts and taking control of your diet, you can break free from sugar's grip and reclaim your health. The 3 steps I'll share today will show you how to do just that. Stay tuned. Here are 3 easy steps to help you stay away from sweets. Step 1: Eat a healthy and satisfying meal when you're hungry. You can't beat sugar cravings if your stomach is always empty and your mind is screaming for energy. Sugar cravings often hit hardest when you're hungry, and that's when you're most likely to make poor decisions. Sweet snacks, which seem to quickly restore your energy, actually push you deeper into the cycle of fatigue and cravings. The first and simplest solution is to make sure you eat enough during healthy meals. When your body is fully nourished, hunger is significantly reduced, and the need for sugar naturally disappears. An ideal meal to fight hunger and keep blood sugar stable should include high-quality protein like chicken breast, fish, or eggs to provide energy and reduce cravings, healthy fats from avocado, olive oil, or nuts to help you feel full for longer without spiking blood sugar levels, and complex carbohydrates from whole grains, sweet potatoes, or leafy greens to release energy slowly and steadily. Think of your body as a machine. When you give it quality fuel, it runs smoothly throughout the day without needing artificial boosts from sugar. Next time you're hungry, instead of grabbing a candy bar or soda, prepare a truly nutritious meal. A salad with grilled salmon, avocado, and walnuts, or a bowl of brown rice with stir-fried vegetables and boiled chicken, can do wonders. Don't forget to keep healthy snacks like almonds, chia seeds, or low-sugar fruits such as apples or blueberries on hand. This helps you make better food choices when unexpected hunger strikes. Remember, controlling sugar cravings doesn't start with saying no to sugar but with saying yes to healthy, fulfilling meals. Try it today and feel the difference. Step 2. Take a hot bath, a clever trick to tackle sugar cravings. Sugar cravings aren't just about physical needs, they're signals from your brain, often triggered when you're stressed, tired, or in need of instant comfort. Instead of reaching for a candy bar or soda, you can soothe your body and mind with a simple method: take a hot bath. When you soak in hot water, the increased temperature causes your blood vessels to dilate, improving circulation and delivering full-body relaxation. Even better, hot water stimulates the release of endorphins, that feel-good hormones that mimic the pleasure you get from eating sweets. This calms your stress and distracts your brain from its sugar cravings. Additionally, hot baths help reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, which is one of the main culprits behind your desire for sugary foods. In fact, just 10 to 15 minutes in a hot bath can transform your sugar cravings into a state of calm relaxation without adding a single calorie to your body. Next time a sugar craving strikes, take a moment to redirect your focus. Prepare a warm bath and add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or lemon for enhanced relaxation. If you don't have a bathtub, a warm shower can work wonders too. And did you know? A hot bath doesn't just combat sugar cravings, it can also boost your mood, relieve muscle aches, and improve your sleep quality. So, treat yourself to some time in warm water and experience the benefits firsthand. Step 3. Take a brisk walk outdoors. Did you know that just 10 minutes of brisk walking outdoors can instantly squash your sugar cravings? When the urge for sweets strikes, what you actually need isn't a sugary treat but a way to activate your body and trick your mind. A brisk walk outdoors is a natural, effective, and completely free solution. As you walk, your body begins to release endorphins, the happy hormones that mimic the sense of pleasure you get from eating sugar. Additionally, exposure to natural sunlight boosts serotonin production, a mood-regulating hormone that helps reduce stress and suppress cravings. Brisk walking also increases your heart rate, promotes blood circulation, and delivers more oxygen to your cells, leaving you feeling alert and refreshed. This interrupts the fatigue cycle, which is a major reason you crave sweets for a quick energy boost. Moreover, focusing on the natural scenery around you, like trees, the sky, or birdsong, helps divert your attention from cravings, bringing a sense of calm and peace. You don't need to run a marathon. Just walk at a pace that gets your heart rate up slightly and your breathing a bit deeper. If there isn't a park nearby, a stretch of street or neighborhood path will do the trick. Don't forget to bring a water bottle to stay hydrated, as this also helps reduce cravings. Brisk walking not only curbs sugar cravings but also improves your cardiovascular health, mental clarity, and sleep quality. So, lace up your shoes and give it a try. The benefits go far beyond just fighting off a sweet tooth. Sugar cravings, a hidden struggle that once ruined a life. Sugar cravings may seem invisible, but they once wreaked havoc on the life of a woman you wouldn't expect. Meet Sarah, a mother of 2 with a hectic schedule. Each morning, she started her day with a cup of coffee and a pastry, a seemingly harmless habit. But by mid-morning, she'd feel tired and reach for a chocolate bar to boost her energy. Sarah didn't realize she was trapped in a cycle of sugar cravings. Every time she felt drained, she turned to sweets for temporary relief. But instead of making her feel better, sugary treats left her feeling sluggish, emotionally unstable, and utterly exhausted by the end of the day. One day, during a routine health checkup, Sarah's doctor informed her she was in the prediabetes stage. That wake-up call made her realize she needed to change. Sarah began her journey by adopting simple steps, replacing sugary snacks with healthy proteins, taking brisk walks every afternoon to relieve stress, and drinking more water. Every time a sugar craving hit, she spent 10 minutes in a hot bath or opted for a healthy meal instead of grabbing a pastry. Within just 30 days, Sarah not only overcame her sugar cravings but also felt lighter and mentally sharper. Most importantly, she had the energy to play with her kids, something she thought she had lost forever. Breaking free from sugar cravings doesn't have to be a struggle. You don't have to fight sugar cravings aggressively, let your body adjust naturally and intelligently. If you think the only way to stop sugar cravings is to eliminate it from your diet completely and immediately, you're not alone. But doing so might lead to withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, or irritability. Instead, a gradual and steady approach is far more effective and sustainable. Start by replacing small portions of sugar in your diet. For example, instead of drinking soda every day, reduce your intake to a few times a week, then switch to naturally flavored water with lemon or mint. For sweets, substitute with low-sugar fruits or nuts to satisfy your cravings while providing essential nutrients. The magic of this method is that your body gradually adjusts to lower sugar levels, breaking the cycle of carb dependency. Over time, you'll find your body shifting into a more stable metabolic state, with sustained energy levels and improved mental clarity, no sugar required. This journey isn't a race, it's a long-term lifestyle change. Start with small steps like taking a hot bath, walking outdoors, or eating a healthy meal when you're hungry. Remember, you don't need to be perfect right away. With patience and persistence, you'll discover that managing sugar cravings is not only possible but also liberating and empowering. Are you ready for a change? Share your thoughts in the comments below.